prior to Workato, most of the automations, even just like provisioning, even onboarding, everything was done by a human. So the goal for bringing in Workato or utilizing Workato is to make sure that we take that humanness out of the equation and automate as much as possible through a very structured, formatted way.
So we had data silos across different systems, and there was the data wasn't consistent across the systems that the teams were working in. What happened was we started getting to a scale of customers where we wanted to do more proactive marketing. So marketing was having some challenges. The sales team was having some challenges with understanding who's a customer versus who's a prospect. Our support teams were starting to have challenges with making sure that the proper records were in place in our support system when tickets came in. And so we had multiple challenges across the different teams that were supporting customers or trying to convert prospects into customers that led to the culmination of saying, we need to find a solution now.
I mean, for me, one was ease of use, absolutely, right? Like, how easy is it for the teams to learn, quickly ramp up, and build and bring value of the system is super important. So that was that. And the other thing is the flexibility and the effort that it requires. You don't need a monolith, like huge, like services and DBAs and this and that, right? So we wanted to make sure it's a lightweight in terms of maintenance, in terms of administration, and in terms of cost. So all these factors did play into picking Workato versus the others. So yeah.
The community around Workato is super great, from just like meeting other people in similar roles or being able to connect with others and identify challenges, whether it be actually a discussion or just going to the community marketplace where there's pre-built recipes there available for you to pick from and speed up your time to development. What started off as let's just get our systems aligned has been more of how do we look at our support metrics in different ways, and what data do we need to support that? And so it's really enabled us to go deeper into specific business use cases, whether it be from a support perspective or a sales perspective. When we were pulling metrics for the company, and when executives were reviewing sales numbers, we had a very clear mapping of the same account records through all of our systems that pulled into our dashboards and allowed for better forecasting and better data analysis in the short term and long term.
We grew 50% year over year in terms of employees. So we streamlined a lot of onboarding and provisioning services through Checkr. So that itself, I think, is making employees, as I said, productive day one. So that's my goal, and I think we've done great.
Definitely it's nice to see you're actually impacting someone's ability to do their job better. Using automation in the platform enables us to do that. If someone came to me and said, do you recommend Workato? My answer would be yes. The usability of the user interface, the focus on shipping new product features and building that out more advanced has been great from experience. The support we've received and guidance, especially as we got ramped up on the platform, has been top notch.